Hey everybody, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, we're gonna talk about fire alarm, which is the very essential device for fire prevention. Let's talk about it. Okay, fire alarm is a safety device that detects fire and smoke and warn people through sound, light, or signal so that they can evacuate safely and alert emergency service quickly. The main purpose of fire alarm is to detect fire early, warn occupants, and reduce loss of life and property. Main components of fire alarm system are fire alarms control panel, smoke detector, heat detectors, manual call point or break glass unit, alarm sounder or sirens, strobe lights, fire alarm bell or horn, power supply or battery backup. These are the components of fire alarm system. Then types of fire alarm system. 1. Conventional fire alarm system. Building is divided into two different zone. That panel shows which zone has a fire. We commonly use in small building offices. Second one is addressable fire alarm system. Each device has a unique address. The panel shows the exact location of fire. It used commonly used in large buildings, hotels, hospitals, etc. Third one is wireless fire alarm system. It uses radio signals instead of wire. Temporary sites or heritage building, uh, in this building it use. And last one is automatic fire alarm system, which detect fire smoke automatically without human action. Okay, it commonly used in modern commercial and residential building. How it work? How a fire alarm system work? First of all, detection. It detect the fire, smoke, heat, flame. And second one is signal. It send the signal through the to the control panel. And third one is alarm activation. Then alarm will activate. Then last one will be the response. Occupant evacuate and fire service are notified. Safety and maintenance tips for all. Test the fire alarm at least once a month. Replace batteries every 6 to 12 months. Keep detectors clean and dust free. Never ignore or disable a fire alarm. Conduct regular fire drills to ensure everyone knows evacuation route. For example, in an office, if fire arose, what we have to do? A smoke detector. Does what will be the process of fire alarm in an office? For example, a smoke detector senses smoke near the pantry. The control panel receives the signal and triggers the siren and stop lights. Employees evacuate through emergency exit. Fire department is alerted automatically. So this is about fire alarm system. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe this channel for more information. Thank you. Have a good day.